We're gonna turn this little water straw into a full filtration system. Let's get to it. So you can see we've got our water straw. We have an 1.5 inch PVC cap and a water pump. So this water pump obviously can be used for multiple purposes. Pumping out water from a boat, toilets, drainage system, anything where you needed to get water out of one source and moved over into another area. And we are going to turn it into a water filtration system. So let's do it. And we're gonna get it washed up real well. We have a nice tight seal, tape, cap, this big hose, and then our pump. Ooh. Yeah, that's a fit. All right, so here we go. Gonna get some dirt. Now we got some ash. Alrighty. So there's our water. I got some dirt and some ash here. Let's just scoop that in there. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, that's looking good. Oh baby. Oh. Yummy. Oh, that looks good. And now let's see how this goes. From that. So first, we have to thread the nozzle on the hose here. Nice and tight. Come on then. All right, here we go. All right. Thread the nozzle on. There we go. Nozzle's nice and tight. Here's our whole device. You can see our pump all the way down to the water straw. So here we go. It totally worked. The sludge to drinking water. Bottoms up. There you go, it totally worked. I was able to filter a large amount of water and put it into another container. So like if you're going camping or hiking or anything like that, you can fill up larger containers of water and take them with you, as opposed to just a straw and waiting until you get to an area where you can find water. It's a great way to filter large amounts of water when you're going up camping or hiking. And it totally worked. You don't have to make any sort of like, you don't have to glue the pieces together. You can keep these two separate now and just attach it to the pump when you need it. And if you really want to get creative and make this more backpack accessible, this is all basically PVC as well, so you can cut it down and shorten it however you want. I mean, you could turn this into half the size and it would still be a great pump that you could throw in your backpack and make it easy, so you don't even have to bend down to the water source. You can just pump it straight from the river or stream or wherever you are, a lake, and you've got water. So, till next time, be safe, have fun, and as always, we are stronger together.